Hi, I'm Chris Lucas, the Excavator Product Manager for JCB North America. And today I'm going to be demonstrating the joystick controls on our mini excavator line, specifically the 8 to 10 ton range. For the purpose of this video, I'll be demonstrating controls using our 85Z-2. Starting with the right-hand joystick, you will see two buttons on the top side with one single button along the bottom. Additionally, you will see toggle controls on the top and the bottom sides of the joystick as well. Focusing on the top side, the lower button is simply the horn, while the button on the upper right is the RPM quick select. You can use this to quickly change between low, general, and high RPM settings. The toggle switch is used to control the auxiliary 1 high flow function. On the bottom side of the right-hand joystick, you will find the continuous flow engagement button for auxiliary 1 high flow. To engage continuous flow, simply press this button. Also, you will find the boom swing toggle switch on the bottom of this joystick as well. The left-hand joystick button selects between auxiliaries 1 and 2. And the toggle is used to control the flow on auxiliary 2, which is your low flow setting. I hope you have found this video to be informative. To find out more about our products, you can visit jcb.com or go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/JCB North America.